Even as the district magistrate of Varanasi gave a permission to Modi's events, the standoff then between the BJP and the Election Commission here seems to be far from over. The BJP has decided to continue with its decision to hold protests in Varanasi and also in Delhi over the last-minute permission, and this even after the Election Commission replied to Jaitley's letters and expressed disappointment over the party's decision to hold the protest.
प्रशासन अगर हमें 11 घंटा देना चाहता है कि इन्होंने वाराणसी की जनता के साथ एक भद्दा मजाक करने का प्रयास किया है.
The BJP furious at the last-minute permission given to Modi's key events in Varanasi on late Wednesday night, questioning the delay and the sudden U-turn.
ये बात फिर से एक बार सिद्ध करती है कि प्रशासन शरारत कर रहा है और डिस्ट्रिक्ट मैजिस्ट्रेट किसी के इशारे पर काम कर रहे हैं. प्रशासन अगर हमें 11 घंटा देना चाहता है कि इन्होंने वाराणसी की जनता के साथ एक भद्दा मजाक करने का प्रयास किया है.
BJP has made up its mind, Amit Shah really declaring that the protests will really intensify all across Varanasi and also in Delhi. But in a turn of events at late night, the DM of Varanasi, Pranjal Yadav, has granted permission to BJP to hold Narendra Modi's events in Varanasi.
The political controversy erupted on Wednesday when the BJP slammed the Election Commission for denying permission to Modi's events in Varanasi.
A returning officer is supposed to further the object of a free and fair election. He can't act as an obstacle.
हिंदुस्तान का चुनाव आयोग निष्पक्ष चुनाव कराने में पिछले 20 सालों से बड़ी मेहनत कर रहा है, तो मैं इसको नापसंद करती हूँ और ये बीजेपी के ड्रामा है, इसका कोई मतलब नहीं है.
Arun Jaitley even wrote 4 letters to the Election Commission in protest, leading to a climb down by the district magistrate who gave permission for 4 out of 5 events.
Out of 5 permissions sought by BJP, 4 have been already approved.
But the poll panel, in a reply to Jaitley's letters, made it clear that the commission cannot overlook security concerns as stated by the authorities.
अगर सेंसिटिव एरिया है तो कांग्रेस के लिए सेंसिटिव नहीं है, आप पार्टी के लिए नहीं है, बहुजन समाजवादी पार्टी के लिए नहीं है. सेंसिटिविटी का स्टिक यार्ड सिर्फ भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लिए है क्या? रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर किसी के इशारे पे काम.
The BJP even sticking to its stand for holding a protest in Varanasi today, questioning the last-minute permission. And the political controversy over the Varanasi block continues. Bureau Report, Times Now.